Alright guys, so it is day 2. We will be repeating what we did yesterday. So we are removing the tranny right now again, and
check out some damage report.
yeah, and we will update you guys on that. Alright, got the transmission already out, and removing the flywheel pretty soon. Alright, so we got the pressure plate out. So let's reveal the damage. I see nothing. I see nothing.
What was the color?
Looks good to me. Weird. That's weird, man. Alright, so we saw that it was grinding a little bit here and also a little bit here. This was already there when we got that, because this is a D series and that's a B series engine, so it will have, you know, it's not gonna match up perfectly. So yes, this was already here, so that's not what causes it. This one is new, and that is new, and we can see on the pressure plate that it got a little bit here on Tony's fat ass welds and there. But other than that, I don't see why it stops making that noise when you press the pressure plate. So
The clutch plate is a noisy clutch plate.
do you think? I don't. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. It's bothering me too.
If it doesn't have any force on it, it doesn't make noise. But when you apply force to it, it's gonna rattle.
Wait. Hang on. Alright, man. So seems like we can't find anything wrong with it. I don't know why it's making that noise. The only thing I could think of is that the pressure plate.
The clutch plate.
Yeah, the clutch plate is
Maybe faulty.
yeah.
Maybe.
So we are going to be putting the stock one again, the old one.
Slightly smaller.
Yeah, but you know that there is still meat on that. There is still some friction material on that.
A lot of life left.
So it still should be good.
And if it's still making the noise,
Yeah, I think that would be some. It would definitely be something else. I don't think it's the pressure plate, because there is literally no damage aside from those the welds.
wait, oh yeah, well,
He's going to grind the fat welds off. But other than that, I don't think it's the pressure plate. All right, so we don't have a clutch tool, so
the center tool.
we're just using the finger as a center tool, and we're just eyeballing it.
And it works
So
every time. It hasn't failed us yet.
Yeah. See if
Yeah,
it's center. I don't know. You guys be the judge of that. Looks good to me. Alright. So we cleaned off the how do you call it, throwout bearing, because maybe we thought that maybe the throwout bearing was bad, but it seems okay. And we're going to be putting it back. But we also got to loop this shaft here so that the the bearing doesn't have problem sliding. And also there's a cockroach in there, man.
Now stick it in real gently.
How do you put this thing, man?
Easy there, Rambo. Don't force it in. There we go.
Yeah. Alright, we are just about ready to start it, but Stucky forgot to put the starter on, so he's doing that now, and then we'll see if the noise goes away. Alright, so moment of truth. Oh, again, man. Wanna push? Right. So, take 2. Woo! Yes.
No, that actually is not there. I'm not doing it.
It was the clutch. I think it was the clutch, yes. Yeah, to. Okay then. Does it work? Alright guys, so Miguel has decided to join us to help us finish, and it's already getting late, but we pretty much have everything in. Right now we're putting the car down, and I guess we'll go for a little test drive. Alright. Are you okay?
No, me just.
Huh? Weet stoten naar voren een beetje? Ja. Yeah, no. Sasa, aklos na rin. Alright, so we actually put a block under there. Easy does it. Kaneko? Right, so what happened?
Okay, so what happened? The car won't engage and won't go into gear. I think what went wrong, because when I installed the pressure plate, I had in mind the travel of the plate itself. So what happens now is, what's happening now is the car is disengaged all the time, or
Engaged all the time. It doesn't want to disengage.
Even when I adjusted the pedal, adjusted the sleeve, it still won't engage or disengage. So what I think I need to do is, when I remove the pressure plate, I have to machine it another maybe 1 or 2 millimeters down so that it can have some travel space. But I do think I'm gonna do that right now. Right now, what I'm gonna do is, the car needs to be driving. I need the car to be driving. So we are gonna take everything apart again, and I'm gonna just install another pressure plate, a stock pressure plate that I got, and I will be driving at OEM for the meantime. But until I can get the other one to work. But for now, I have to get the car running, so time is running short. The car just needs to be driving, and December is a pretty hectic month, and I don't think I will be having any time to fix the car then. So right now, with Mick here, with Dano here, I have more manpower to disassemble and reassemble.
Yeah.
I don't know how far we're gonna get tonight, because it's already pretty late and lockdown is nearing soon. But looking how far I can go tonight, if I can fix it tonight. So yeah, so not maybe Friday, tomorrow, I don't know. But we have to start somewhere. And right now, I don't think we're gonna be vlogging this, because we have to work pretty fast. So yeah, hey, it was an experiment. It failed, but at least I know it has some pressure to it, because I can feel the leg day there, man. It's maybe like something like I'm pushing or something. I don't know, because it's pretty hard. But clamp force is there, but it just needs to be machined. Okay,
Alright.
we're gonna start.
Yeah.
Let's go.